Shalom Greetings Grandrising. I'm actually going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the Rokin Dial portable cartridge battery. Alright, so this is temperature adjusted. Here we are. And the other one, somebody stole it, so I had to basically adjust. Let me open up the light. It's a little bit of lighting. Yo, shout out to Mongoose, man. I like y'all bike. I had to get this piece changed out, but yeah, this is what I want. I won it in a raffle. I was the second name called. Dope. So back to this Rokin Dial. So here we are. These are the stats. You know, matte black, 21 and older. Right. Key features. Right. Registered. Alright. This is Charles Fichet with Coffee Breaks. And I'm doing this unboxing of this Rokin Dial. Hold on. It looked like something belong right here. Doesn't that look like something belong right there? I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I just took it out the packaging. I just got this from the Sanctuary. Shout out to the Sanctuary. I like y'all. I love y'all products. Yeah, awesome. Well, this is what I got so far. And oh, comes with my favorite part is that it comes with a lanyard. Comes with a lanyard.